Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today what I want to do is I want to showcase to you how powerful this method is, the Fortitude method. And it does not restrict itself to any time frame at all, completely. Because you understand time frames are fractals. So whatever happens on the higher time frame, exactly the same thing, the same behavior happens on the lower time frame. People call the lower time frame noise, can't understand. And it's when I hear the statement noise, I really cringe because the price action is fractal. And if it is fractal and if it's behaving the same, why is it noise? Every single candle tells a story, right? So let's assume you want to stay away from 1 minute time frame because maybe it's too fast. And you want to slow things down, you want to move to the 5 minute time frame. And today I will show you how you can use exactly the same strategy on any time frame of your choosing, right? So it does not limit you to a 1 minute, but you can go to a higher time frame. Let's assume, in this case, a 1 hour time frame. So what you see on your charts here is you have a 15-minute chart, and not a whole lot is going on over here. So maybe let's for the kicks off it, let's look at this candle, right? It's a nice bearish momentum candle that has swept the liquidity, all the liquidity to the high side, and then closed strong to the downside bearish side. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for shorts, right? So when my price starts coming in, going out of the range and coming back in, which is creating this wick of this candle right here, the wick of this candle, I would place my trade exactly at this point in time right here at the low of this, and maybe cover the wick, give it some pips, 2.4, maybe give it some pips. This was a loss, so be it. Who cares? Because the same exact pattern will win me 8 out of 10 trades. If I get 2 losses, who cares, right? So, but the point being, what happens from now onwards, like this momentum candle is too big. For me, this is an overextended market, and potentially, and more often than not, when I see candles like this, price starts to retrace back. It's usually a news event or whatever have you. So let me remove this and showcase to you how price is fractal and it behaves exactly the same on any time frame. This is a 15-minute chart. This is a 1 minute time frame. Now, between 15 and 1, you have enough time separation that it allows you to give more information so that you can make a decision. So what I mean is, the 1 minute time frame is small enough that in the next 15-minute candle, you have 15 1-minute candles, right? In the next 15-minute candles, when the wick is being formed, you have enough candles that give you a storyline of what is happening and how to get involved. So if I were to do a 15-minute and a 14-minute, makes no difference. It's just one candle free. That is essentially the same. If I do a 15 and a 10-minute, doesn't make sense also, right? So you have less information. So ideally, the trade-off is that a 15-minute and a 1 minute works wonders. But let's assume that you wanted to do a 1 hour chart in this case, right? And you wanted to do a 5 minute, right? So a 5 minute and a 1 hour, let's see what happens. Now, this is a very, very slow time frame, right? So you can almost spend your entire day, entire session, and just waiting. So let's look at this. You had a strong bullish, so it's exactly the same chart, right? So Euro USD, 15 minutes, you saw what happened. We had a loss, and then we had a giant momentum candle. So that giant momentum candle is the sum of these two, right? The sum of 4 15-minute candles. But this is a 1 hour candle, and let's say, yes, it broke all the structure on the 5 minute chart to the top side. So this high got broken, this low is now strong, everything is now shifted bullish. This candle confirms it, right? So once this candle confirms it, what am I looking for? I'm looking for the price action to go back, give me an entry and catch the wick into the next 1 hour candle. So what do I look for? I look for liquidity, right? So here's my liquidity at this point. Why? Because this is the fractal high that broke the fractal low that broke the fractal high, and then it got swept. And once it gets swept, I would have placed my first entry over here at the stop order and my second entry here at the next candle. And that will be my trade. all the way to the top. So on a on a 1 hour, 5 minute chart, you could place exactly the same trade, exactly the same entries. Yeah. The stop loss will be a whole lot higher. So in this case, a 12 pip stop loss. Typically when I'm doing this on a 1 minute time frame, I'm looking at 2 pip, 3 pip, maximum 5 pip. If the price is really, really volatile, I'll look at 6 and 7. I never see a 12 pip stop loss on a 1 minute time frame. And that is what a sniper entry is. A sniper entry is not you guessing where the market is and then you are figuring out, okay, I'm going to place a limit order. I don't even understand why people place limit orders. I obviously don't blame them. They have their reasons and they have their strategies and they have their data to prove it. I just don't understand it. I cannot bet on something that is running against me at that time. I need to see that confirmation, and that confirmation for me comes in stop orders, right? And there is no way, at least for me, I'm going to put a blind bet that the price will come touch this and suddenly change. What if it doesn't change? What if it just keeps falling down, right? So in this case, exactly the same strategy, exactly the same entry model, a higher time frame, 1 hour and a 5 minute, larger stop loss, and potentially a 6 hour win on a 5 minute time frame. That is crazy, really. You can get 5, 6, 10 hour easily on 1 minute, but on a 5 minute time frame to get a 6 hour, you need multiple 1 hour candles to go bullish, right? And that typically is rare. Okay, so I just wanted to prove in the short video that the FortitudeFX strategy is not dependent on time frame, and that is the key. You want to do 4 hour and 30 minutes, be my guest. You wanted to do 4 hour, 15 minute, be my guest. Really, really slow, but the same model and the same reasoning applies to all time frames. Take care, guys. Bye.